Another example for probability. The table shows the results of many spins that Jules made with the spinner. Based on these results, what is the probability that Jules' spinner will land on the apple on his next spin? Express your answer as a fraction in lowest terms. Lowest terms meaning simplest fraction form. Okay, you want to land on the apple. So again, remember what we have, the equation of number of successful outcomes. Landed on apple, successful outcomes, there are 4, divided by the number of possible outcomes. All possible outcomes are here, so we have to add them up. So sometimes they are grapes, sometimes they are apples, sometimes orange, sometimes pear. This is the total possible outcomes. That's the successful outcomes that you landed on the apple. So that's 4 divided by, we can add these up. So 4 plus 6 is 10, and then there's 8. This is not the simplest form, so we can, both are even numbers. We divide by 2 on top and bottom, numerator and denominator. So that's the simplest fraction form. Another example, suppose we have 2 fair 6-sided dice numbered from 1 to 6. If we roll them both, then what is the probability that the 2 numbers shown sum to 7? Okay, here, this problem I think is a very interesting problem. I'm going to introduce this way of doing it. There were 6 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you reverse the number and you write it as 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then amazingly you add them up, you get 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. These are all 7s, and these are all the possibilities that you add them up, they are equal to 7. Okay, how many successful outcomes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 6 possibilities that you add the 2 numbers up that they equal to 7. What are the total possibilities? You have the first dice that you have 6 sides, right? It could turn up as 6 numbers. And you have the next one that you also have 6 sides. So the first one, you got 6 options. And for each of the options, you roll the second dice, that could be another 6. So the total number is 6 multiplied 6 possibilities. And the successful ones that landed on 7, the sum of the 2 sides are 7, is only 6 chances. So 6 divided by the total is the possibility that the number would sum to 7.